Nokia is coming to create a stir in the mobile market once again. According to the information, Nokia is going to launch a powerful smartphone. According to the leaks, in this great smartphone you are going to get a powerful battery of 7000 mAh, with 144 megapixel DSLR camera. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Maze Ultra 5G smartphone. And the most important thing is that its price is going to be very low. If you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Maze Ultra 5G. According to the leaked information, you are going to get a 6.85-inch Super AMOLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate in this smartphone. Apart from this, you will also get to see 390 Hz refresh rate, in-display fingerprint sensor, IP69 rating, and Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection in this smartphone. Camera setup. Talking about camera setup, you will get to see a setup of 4 cameras in the back of this smartphone, whose primary camera is going to be 144 megapixels with OIS support. Apart from this, 3 other camera sensors of 50, 16, and 8 megapixels will be seen. And if we talk about selfie camera, you will get to see a 50 megapixel front camera. Performance. Talking about the operating system of this phone, you can get to see Android 15 operating system, and as a processor, the excellent Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 octa-core chipset. Battery backup. If we talk about the powerful battery provided in this smartphone, then you can see a powerful battery of 6900 mAh in this phone. At the same time, to charge it, you can get 85-watt fast charging support, with USB Type-C cable. Price or launch date. Estimatedly, the price of this smartphone in global markets may be less than $600. And if we talk about the launch date, it can be introduced in a few months.